Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about an amazing product you can get at Sushila Agrofert, PeatMoss, and what exactly makes it the world's #1 plant medium. The main benefits of PeatMoss are its water and nutrient holding properties. It also helps to hold on to nutrients so your plants get the nourishment they need. What makes PeatMoss so great for gardening is that it doesn't compact or break down easily. One application of PeatMoss can last for several years. It doesn't arrive contaminated with weed seeds, diseases, and germs. This makes peat moss an ideal growing medium for young plant roots. Peat moss also works great for soilless hydroponic gardening and can be mixed with coconut oil, perlite, and vermiculite. It helps to retain water while other materials help with aeration. It is ideal for acid-loving plants such as blueberries and camellias. So if you are looking for an amazing soil amendment to help your plants grow and thrive, try Sushila Agrofert's PeatMoss. Happy gardening!